Hey guys, my name is Abe. Today we are playing hide and seek extreme and there's a round already started. I just joined uh and there's only two people left. It's this girl and this guy. So let's see. So it looks like he's gonna get caught. Alright, so one person is caught. There's one more person down here, so let's hope they can maybe find him. Hopefully they can find her. Did he just glitch out? Did he just glitch out? Bro, that kid just glitched, bro. That kid just glitched. Alright, so I can actually select a map, but I don't want to waste my Robux. Let's see what it's gonna be. Okay, it's backyard, I guess. We're gonna play backyard. Alright, so let's see who's gonna be it. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna hide somewhere, so let's go hide. Where can I hide? I'm gonna hide here. Should I hide here? Actually, nah, I shouldn't. I think we should go like up there, I think, and then hide in there. Should we? Should we do that? Actually, nah. Let's just hide here. Let's just hide here. Let's just hide here. So we're just gonna hide right above, like the bottom of the spawn. So this is where we're hiding, right here. So looks like the game still hasn't started. So yeah. Let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so it looks like the game just started. Let's take a look at the spectating. Oh my god, the person did not get me. Oh, the person's on the ground. And somebody just got caught. Okay. Alright. Like when you're actually playing the game, like in this game, you can only suspectate the it person, but like the person that's uh uh person trying to find us, you can only suspectate him. Unfortunately, you can't suspectate anybody else. But I'm hiding like up there. You see that? I'm hiding like right by there somewhere. Yeah. And they still haven't found me yet, bro. This might actually be a good spot. Alright, so looks like somebody's getting chased. The girl was glitching. I'm pretty far from him. If you look at my studs, this is how far I'm at from the person. I'm about 400 studs away. So that's far. 400 studs means he's pretty far. Oh, look. Yeah. You guys can't see me, but I'm hiding like right. Hold up. Let me go in third person mode. Actually, never mind. You see that tree house right there? That bird feeder? I'm hiding right behind it. And they still haven't found me yet. This is where it is. This is the whole map. Okay, so one person just got caught. I'm still hiding. I have everything basically here except I don't have the Roblox characters, but I have like every single character. Every single character except the only character I don't have is the Yeti. That's like the only character I don't have. Alright guys, 1 minute to go and then that's it. Oh, is the person coming back or something? Um, I don't know, guys, but are they gonna find me though or no? I don't know. Are they gonna find me or no? Oh, oh no. Alright, so it looks like she's Oh, they didn't see me. Did they just miss me, bro? She didn't see me, bro. She didn't even see me. I was like right here. Oh my god, she didn't see me, man. Alright, so we got like about 25 seconds left. Um, okay, so nobody is in there. Alright, very annoying. Okay, should I rush to the person? Yeah, I'm gonna rush. I'm gonna rush. Five, four, three, two, one. Jump! Okay. Yeah, Ultra. Okay, that won. 6 out of 12. So she found like half of the game. Alright, so let's hop into the next map. Alright, what's the next map gonna be? The store. Alright, I think I know a good spot where I'm gonna hide, but I think you need parkour skills to do that. Actually, nah, it's so easy. Alright, it's the same person. It's the same person who's to being it. Bro. Alright, so you see that fire extender there? We're gonna try getting there. Alright, so let's get to the fire exchanger. Oh, I missed it. Alright, so where is it? Oh, okay, there we go. It's all the way there. I think you can jump there. I think so, right? I think you could. I'm pretty sure you can. And you can, I think you can also get like on the doorknob right there. You can get on that door right there, but you need parkour to do that. I'm actually being a parkour pro, so I'm pretty sure I know how to do these stuff. But anyways, let's hide really fast. Five, four, three, two, one. No, no, no! I'm caught. No! Guys, like, I fell off the thing. Like, did you see that? I didn't land. Like, I fell off the thing, bro. Like, I fell off the thing. Alright, so I guess now it's time we can now wait, I guess. I actually want to see where the other players. Okay, so two people are still looking for the spots. One person's hiding by the Bloxy Colas. I mean, not the Bloxy Colas, the Halloween candy thing. And then one person's hiding in this boombox. And then one person's hiding here. And one person's hiding by the beans. And one person's by the Bloxy Cola. And they're still looking for a spot. And yeah. Alright, so we're gonna have 2 minutes to wait, and then we'll play one more round, and then we're gonna end this video. Or we're gonna do two more rounds, we'll see. I mean, guys, did you see how I fell off the thing? Like, I got on the thing, but it, like, flipped me off. That's how I became caught. Because what happened was, like, you know when, like, you get close to things, like, they make you slip? Like, that's what happened to me. Like I couldn't make it. Alright, anyways, let's. Oh, I think somebody's about to get caught. Actually, no. Nobody's about to. Oh, oh, there's a girl right there. Oh no, she's caught. She's caught. It would be better if she like get up the thing, but she doesn't have any time. The girl does not have any time. The shop, I can't really get anything. I already got this back. Oh, two people. She's getting to kill two people. Get her, get her, get her. Oh my gosh. Get her. Get her. Yeah. Oh, okay, she got she did that. She just got another person and now she's gonna kill another guy. Another guy right here. Little girl. Okay. Oh my god. He's gonna die. He just fell off, bro. No way he just fell off. No way this girl just fell off. Am I like mostly the main one who got caught this round by slipping from there? Am I like the main one who got caught from there? Alright, so she see someone? Oh no, she doesn't. Alright, I'm not sure if she's gonna find any more people because if you can look, there's only like 50. Oh, she might catch someone. Look. Did she not see that girl, bro? Alright, so we only got 5 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Alright, so she only caught a few people. The rest of the people stayed alive. So we're just gonna play 2 more rounds and then we're gonna end this video. The workshop? Okay. I have a good spot in the workshop, but the honor to do it, you need a person to come with you to get to the spot. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I'll try. So we're gonna try this. We're gonna try this. But I'm not sure if this is gonna work though. So we're gonna try it, but if it doesn't work, we'll hide somewhere else. Alright, so let's jump out, I guess. Where should I go? Should I go like over here? Yeah, I'll go over here. Okay. Hold up a second. Hold up in my settings, camera. Hold up. I think I just messed something up. Hold up. Okay, it worked. Alright, let's just get up here and then try to hop on one of those cans, maybe. So it looks like they're trying, but I don't think it's gonna work. Alright, let's try this. Let's try it. People are coming. Let's try. Okay. Time it just right. Front and back. Bruh, no way. Now he's not gonna let me, bruh. I made it. Let's go. Now there's no way the person can get me. Now. There's literally no way. Ah, oh, look, the Empress is right there. It's right there. Oh no, rest in peace, girl. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Look what the. Now he's gonna be like, how? Look at this. Watch this. Watch this. Look. He can't even get up. This is such a good spot, bro. And he doesn't even see the girl, bro. Wow. This is way better than last time, man. Oh, the girl just died. Did two people just died? Did literally two people just die? Alright, so we're so close to him, but nobody can. Imagine this kid falls by accident, man. He's just camping us, man. He's just camping. Like, look at this. He's camping. He's camping us. Alright, so looks like he's still camping. He's trying to get us, but he can't get us. That's why I always stay like in the middle here, so there's no way he can get us. Just like what I'm doing. Okay, he's out. He's out. He's out. He's out. He's out. Okay, bye, man. Bye, man. I don't know how, but I got up here. This my friend taught me this, and this actually worked. Like you can get up this thing, and then the it person cannot get you. Like this is so sick. Don't you dare try pushing me off, man. Don't you dare try pushing me off. Don't you dare try pushing me off. This kid almost made me get pushed off, man. Stop bothering me, man. Oh, why does this kid keep bothering me? Okay, he's back. He's back. Back. We're so lucky, bro. We're so lucky. Okay, jump. I jumped at the end. Yeah. The person only found 6 people, and there was 5 people left. Okay, so this is our last round for the day. Uh, workshop again? Bruh. Okay, guys, let's workshop again. Should we do the same thing? Should we do the same thing? Should we do the same thing? Okay, guys, I feel like we're gonna do the same thing, I guess. Unless we're that person. Just pick already, man. Okay. Oh, it's the same person? It's literally the same person, man. Literally. The same person again. Okay. So let's go hide there again. I feel like this kid is also trying to go there also. So let's go with this guy, I guess. I think he also wants to do the same thing what I'm trying to do. So yeah. Let's get up. Oh, I can't make it up. Oh. Oh, I made it on the screwdriver. Oh, okay, I'm up. Okay, so we have to get there now. I feel like this guy's gonna trick me and try to get up, but who knows? I might be the first one to get up. Who knows? Alright, so now he's gonna try tricking me. Alright, so we got two compenders up. Okay, so I made it! Let's go! I made it! Let's go! We two are the only ones up. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Only 2 people up. It's workshop week. I usually always do this in workshop. So yeah. Alright, here we go. Is this kid gonna go with us again? Is this kid gonna try and get us again? 100 studs away. Okay. 100 studs away. Get, can you get off, man? Can you get off? Can you try and get off, man? Can you just get off? Can you get off? Oh! He almost fell. I tried to make him fall. This kid is literally can't get me. Okay, so let's just spectate. Alright, so is this kid staying in the drawer? Okay, he's going out. He's going out. Jump, man. Can he not jump? Can he not jump? Can this kid not jump, man? Jump, now. Okay, whatever. That kid wanted to get up, but I jumped on this kid and made it on that one, and then I hopped to this one. Stop, bro. This kid wants me to be on. Me to fall. Okay. Or he wait. Okay, whatever. Can he get out of the drawer, man? I feel like almost everyone's gonna win this match. It's 11 out of 12, so almost the whole game, people. Alright, guys, so what we're gonna do is I feel like the it person is trying, he can't get out, so I'm gonna go check on him. Let's go check on him. Actually, nah, he might get us, like, who knows? Um, 1 minute to go. Bro, get out of the drawer, bro. Okay, I guess we'll just stay up here, I guess. Oh! Did the person just get out? He just got out, man. The kid just got caught. Did? Oh, okay. He's not even gonna get us. Okay, guys, I time to jump. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go to him. I'm gonna go to him. Let's go! 10 credits. Okay, guys, so that's gonna wrap up for today's video. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you guys want to see more fun videos. Bye!